Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. You cannot interpret on the words of God. That is not possible. And dharma means dharmantu sakshat bhagavat prani. You cannot manufacture at your home a kind of religious system. That is rascaldom, that is useless. Dharma means sakshat bhagavat prani. Just like law. Law means what is given by the government. You cannot manufacture law at your home. Suppose in the street, common sense, the government law is keep to the right or keep to the left. You cannot say, oh, what is the wrong there if I go into the right or left? No, that you cannot. Then you will be criminal. Similarly, not nowadays, from time immemorial, there are so many religious systems. So many. But real religious system is what God says or Krishna says. Sarva dharman parityajya mamekam saranam vraja. This is religion. Simple. You cannot manufacture religion. Therefore, in the Srimad Bhagavatam, the beginning is dharma projita koitavatra paramanirmasadana. So, somebody may envy that this person has sophisticated some disciples and they are offering prayers and puja. No, it is the system. Don't envy. Acharya mang vijanyat navamanneta karichi. Acharya is the representative of God. Jasya prasadat bhagavat prasada. If you offer prayers, honor to the Acharya, then Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, is pleased. To please Him, you have to please His representative. If you love me, love my dog. And in the Bhagavad-gita it is said, Acharya upasanam. Acharya upasanam. We have to worship the Acharya. Jasya devi parabhakti, yatha devi tatha guru. Tasyaite katita jhatta prakasha. This is the Vedic mantra. Tad vijnanatham sa gurumeva avigacche. Tasmad gurum prapaddita jigyasu shreyuttamam. Sabdi parita nisnatam brahmani upasamasya. Tad vidhi pranipatina pariprasnena sevaya. So these are the injunctions. The Guru must come through the parampara system, then he is bona fide. Otherwise he is a rascal. Must come through the parampara system, and in order to understand Tadvijnanam, transcendental science, you have to approach Guru. You cannot say that I can understand at home. No, that is not possible. That is the injunction of the all Shastra. Tasmad Gurum Prabhu. Who requires the Guru? Guru is not a fashion. Just like you keep a dog as a fashion, modern civilization. Similarly, you keep a Guru. No, not like that. Who requires a Guru? Tasmad Gurum Prapaddeta Jigyasu Shreya Uttamam. One who is actually serious to understand the science of spirit, soul, Tadvijnanam. Om Tat Sat. He requires a guru. Guru is not a fashion.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama.